In this tutorial, we'll explore all the settings and features available in the free version. So let's get started. Click on One-Click Order, where you'll find the settings and helpful guides. We'll begin with the Report and Issue section. If you encounter any issues with the plugin or have questions, you can reach out to us using this form. If you don't receive an automatic reply, it means there may be a WordPress email configuration issue, and we didn't receive your message. In that case, please send us a direct email and we'll respond as soon as possible. The next section is All Features, where you can explore all the available features included with our plugin. The next section is Compare Plans. Here, you'll see that in the free version, there's no limit on the number of orders. So if you prefer not to upgrade, you can keep using the free version without any restrictions. Below, you can also read about all the features included in the free version. If you decide to upgrade to Pro, you'll unlock every premium feature, and it's very affordable. The next section is How to Use. Here, you'll learn how to set up and use the plugin. The first method is through the Settings section. The second method uses shortcodes. You have two options. One shortcode creates a Buy Now button, and the other displays the full order form directly on the page. We recommend trying both to see which works best for your store. The third method also uses a shortcode, but in this case, you'll manually enter the product ID. This option is perfect if you're focusing on a single product across your entire website. It's also great for customizing your landing page with any page builder. The next section is Settings. The first option here is Name Display Settings. You can choose to display the customer's full name in a single input field, which is recommended. Alternatively, you can select first and last name separately, or only the first name, only the last name, or both. You can also make each field required if needed, depending on your preferences. Similarly, for the address, you can choose to collect the full address in a single input field or split it into two fields. Below that, you'll find settings for other input fields as well. You can simply enable the important fields to make it easier for your customers to place their orders. In the next section, you can add any important message you'd like your customers to see. There's also a WhatsApp option. If you enable it, a WhatsApp button will appear on the thank you page, so customers can easily contact you after placing an order. The next field is important. You can customize the Buy Now button text. For example, you could write Buy Now, Instant Buy, or any label you prefer. After that, you can choose the position of the Buy Now button. There are three options available, and placing it after Add to Cart is recommended. Below, you'll see all the Pro version features. If you'd like to unlock any of them, just click Upgrade to Pro. Otherwise, click Save Changes to apply all your settings. Now, let's move to the front end to see how the button and form look and work. First, let's find a variable product so you can see how it handles variations. Here, you'll see the Buy Now button. Remember, we customize the text to say Instant Buy. The customer will select the available variations, review the price, choose the quantity, and then click Instant Buy. After that, they'll be redirected to the order form page. Here, you can see the message we set earlier in the settings. You can remove it anytime if you prefer. Now, look at the form. It's very simple and clean. The customer only needs to fill in the required information and click the Buy Now button. That's it. Here, you can see the WhatsApp button we enabled. You can also remove it if you'd like. Look, the WhatsApp button has now disappeared. Now take a look at the billing summary. Total bill and shipping are automatically calculated based on your WooCommerce settings. Next, let's see where your orders appear for processing. As an admin, go to the WooCommerce Orders section in a new tab. Here, you can see the last order placed just 37 seconds ago. That's the one we created during this demo. To confirm the order, compare the pricing and details of this order with the one we just created during the demo. As you can see, they match perfectly. It's the same order. Here, you can also view all the customer details for this order. All the remaining steps, processing the order, updating its status, and sending notifications, are handled through WooCommerce. Whenever you change the order status, the customer will automatically receive an update. You can also track and manage orders using the WooCommerce mobile app, which sends real-time notifications right to your phone. That's all for today. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to purchase, install, and activate the Pro version. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments.